Good morning, respected lecturer and my fellow friends. My name is Muhammad Azri bin Azman and my metric number is A221557. Before I begin, I'd like everyone here to do something for me. Don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to stand up. I just want you to think. Think about what you had for breakfast this morning. Did you have a balanced meal? Maybe just a cup of coffee, or did you skip breakfast completely? It's okay. I'm not here to judge you because I've done exactly the same thing. A few months ago, I decided to improve my eating habits. I wanted to eat cleaner, drink more water, and reduce sugary drinks. Surprisingly, when I was by myself, it wasn't that difficult. I could stay disciplined and make healthier choices. But everything changed whenever I met my friends. Someone would say, Azri, let's go for burgers. Another would say, come on, one bubble tea, one heart. And somehow, one cheat meal became two, then three. And before I realized it, every day became cheat day. I think many of you know exactly what I'm talking about. That experience taught me something very important. Healthy eating isn't difficult because we don't know what healthy food is. Most of us already know. The difficult part is staying consistent. And that is exactly why I chose today's topic, Eat Smart, Study Smart, Building a Healthier Student Community. As university students, we spend countless hours attending lectures, completing assignments, preparing for examinations, and sometimes even working part-time jobs. We invest thousands of ringgit in our education because we want a better future. But sometimes we forget to invest in the thing that makes achieving that future possible, our health. Working in healthcare has taught me something I'll never forget. We spend so much time treating illness, but many of those illnesses could have been prevented in the first place. That's when I realized prevention doesn't always begin in the hospital. Sometimes it begins at the dining table. Today, I would like to share three important things with you. First, the growing problem of unhealthy eating habits among students. Second, the effects these habits have on our health and academic performance. And finally, several practical solutions that every one of us can start today. Let's begin with the problem. University life gives us freedom, but with freedom comes responsibility. Unfortunately, many students choose convenience over nutrition. Fast food has become our first choice because it's affordable, quick, and available almost everywhere. Many students also skip breakfast because they wake up late and believing saving 10 minutes will make them more productive. We also consume more sugary drinks than we realize. Bubble tea, sweetened coffees, soft drinks, and energy drinks. They slowly become part of our daily routine. Another issue is that many students lack proper nutritional awareness. We know which food tastes good, but we don't always think about which food is good for our bodies. Social media also influence our eating habits. Every day, we see advertisements, food reviews, and viral meals that encourage unhealthy eating. This isn't just my opinion. A Malaysian study conducted by Gun and colleges found that university students who frequently consume fast food and sugary drinks were much more likely to develop unhealthy dietary habits and higher body weight. In addition, studies have reported that around 30 to 50% of Malaysian university students are either overweight or obese, showing that unhealthy eating is becoming an increasingly serious issue among young adults. This is worrying because the habits we build today often become the lifestyle we carry into adulthood. So, the real problem isn't just eating unhealthy food once in a while. The real problem is allowing unhealthy choices to become everyday habits. Now that we understand the problem, let's ask ourselves one important question. What happens if these unhealthy habits continue? Imagine this. Tomorrow morning, you have an important examination. You stay up late revising. You skip breakfast because you thought it would save time. By 11 o'clock, your stomach starts growling. Your mind becomes to wander. And you read the same sentence 3 times, but nothing stays in your memory. Has that happened to you? It happened to me before. At first, I blamed stress. Later, I realized my body simply didn't have enough fuel to perform. That's exactly what unhealthy eating does. Poor nutrition doesn't only affect our body, it also affects our brain. Students who regularly consume high fat and high sugar foods often experience fatigue, low energy levels, and poor concentration. As a result, they struggle to stay focused during lectures and become less productive while studying. According to Malaysia's National Health and Mobility Survey, overweight and obesity remain major public health concerns among young adults. Poor eating habits also increase the risk of diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease later in life. But the effects don't stop there. Our emotional health is affected too. When we don't eat well, we often feel tired, irritable, stressed, and sometimes even lose confidence in ourselves. Healthy eating is about having the perfect body. It's about giving ourselves the best opportunity to learn, perform, and enjoy life. The good news is this problem has a solution, and surprisingly, it doesn't begin with a strict diet. It begins with one small decision. The first step is simple. Choose better food more often. Not perfect food, just better food. Try replacing one fast food meal each week with a balanced meal that includes vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Secondly, drink more water. Sometimes we think we were hungry when actually our body is just thirsty. Thirdly, never underestimate breakfast. A simple breakfast can provide the energy your brain needs to stay alert throughout the day. Planning meals in advance also helps us avoid unhealthy last-minute choices. The World Health Organization reminds us that maintaining a healthy diet is one of the most effective ways to prevent long-term diseases and improve overall well-being. Universities also have an important role. Healthier cafeteria options, nutrition awareness programs, and supportive environments can encourage students to make healthier choices. But ultimately, the biggest change starts with us, because every healthy meal is one vote for the person we want to become. Today, we explored how unhealthy eating habits have become an increasing problem among university students. We discussed how these habits affect not only our physical health, but also our concentration, emotional well-being, and academic performance. Finally, we discovered that a small and consistent lifestyle changes can make a significant difference to our future. So today, I would like to leave you with one challenge. Tomorrow morning, eat your breakfast. Choose water instead of sugary drinks. Take one small step toward a healthier lifestyle, because healthy eating isn't about being perfect. It's about making one better choice every single day. I'd like you to remember one thing. Years from now, you probably won't remember what you ate on a random Tuesday during university, but your body will, your heart will, and your mind will. Every meal you choose today is either an investment or a debt against your future health. So before you choose your next meal, ask yourself one simple question. Is this meal helping me become the person I want to be? Because success doesn't only begin in the classroom, sometimes it begins on your plate. Thank you very much.